Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential digital tips to keep you safe and secure online. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to enable two-factor authentication on Cash App. If you're using Cash App for everyday transactions, you know how crucial it is to protect your hard-earned money from potential hackers. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security that makes it way harder for anyone to access your account without your permission. Let's dive right in. First off, why should you bother with 2FA? Well, imagine your password is like the key to your house. 2FA is like having a security alarm that requires a second code to fully enter. It's a simple step that can prevent unauthorized access and give you peace of mind. Now, enabling it on Cash App is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's usually a picture or your initials. From there, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Look for the option that says Two-Factor Authentication, or something similar. It might be under Security Settings. Tap on it, and you'll see a prompt to enable 2FA. Cash App typically offers options like using an authentication app or text messages for verification codes. Choose your preferred method, say, an authenticator app like Google Authenticator for added reliability. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up, which usually involves scanning a QR code and entering a one-time code. Once that's done, confirm the setup, and bam! You've just fortified your account. One quick tip: make sure your phone number is up to date because 2FA often relies on it for sending codes. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your app version or contact Cash App support. Remember, enabling 2FA might take a minute, but it's totally worth it for your security. There you have it, folks. You've now learned how to enable two-factor authentication on Cash App and taken a big step towards safer online banking. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.